There have been many scientific studies that suggest certain essential oils can boost hair growth. So before spending a lot of money on expensive hair growth treatments, consider using an essential oil. However, you need a carrier oil to dilute your essential oils to ensure their safety for use on the skin. So which carrier oil should you use? It's important to choose a carrier oil according to your scalp type. You can use a lightweight carrier oil like almond oil or grapeseed oil if you have an oily scalp. But if your scalp is too dry, you can use a heavyweight carrier oil like coconut oil to help soothe your irritation. Here are 8 essential oils for hair growth. Clary sage oil. Clary sage oil is thought to be a superstar for improving overall hair health. It's also praised for its ability to regulate cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone produced by the body during times of stress, which can be an underlying cause of hair loss. To use, mix a few drops of clary sage oil with an ounce of coconut oil and massage your scalp with it. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is ideal for those with oilier hair types. This oil stimulates your scalp and hair follicles. It also helps improve blood circulation to the skin, which can help with increasing dermal thickness, follicle number, and follicle depth. To use, add 2 drops of peppermint oil to a carrier oil of your choice and massage it on your scalp. Leave it on for 4 to 5 minutes before rinsing with shampoo and conditioner. Lemongrass oil. Aside from strengthening hair follicles, lemongrass oil is also great for those with dandruff. To use, massage a few drops of lemongrass oil into your scalp during your shower. Let it sit and soak in for 2 minutes before rinsing out with cold water. Cedarwood oil. Cedarwood oil stimulates your scalp and increases circulation, reducing a dry or flaky scalp and brittle hair. To use, add 2 drops of cedarwood essential oil to a teaspoon of coconut oil. This will create a hydrating, stimulating hair mask. Next, apply the mixture and use your fingers to massage it in. Let it sit on your scalp for about 30 minutes before washing to achieve the best results. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Thyme oil. This fragrant essential oil can help enhance hair growth and prevent hair loss because it penetrates your skin and stimulates blood flow to your hair follicles. It's also said to be effective in treating an autoimmune disorder called alopecia areata, which results in unpredictable hair loss. To use, add 2 drops of thyme essential oil to 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. Massage your scalp with it and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing with shampoo. Rosemary oil. Rosemary essential oil stimulates hair growth by dilating the blood vessels and promoting cell division in the scalp. This helps deliver the nutrients and oxygen needed for follicles to grow. And if you have a dry scalp, rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties help keep hair follicles healthy and keeps dandruff at bay. To use, put 5 drops of rosemary oil on your scalp and massage it in after a shower. You can also conveniently add rosemary oil to your existing shampoo and conditioner. Ylang-ylang oil. This essential oil enhances sebum production in your scalp and is effective in reducing breakage. So if you have a dry and flaky scalp, ylang-ylang oil can be effective in soothing your scalp and improving the texture of your hair. But if you're somebody with a greasy scalp, this may not be the best option for you. Also, since it has antiseptic properties, ylang-ylang oil can be used as a hair treatment for other hair conditions, like head lice. Amazing, right? To use, just mix a few drops of ylang-ylang oil with 2 tablespoons of a warm carrier oil and massage it in. You can leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with shampoo. Tea tree oil. This powerful antibacterial and antimicrobial essential oil is commonly found in scalp-healthy hair products to fend off dandruff. Did you know that when dandruff is left untreated, it can lead to hair loss? To use, mix 10 drops of tea tree oil into your shampoo or mix 3 drops with 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. Massage it in for a relaxing 15-minute treatment. Although essential oils are an elixir that can enhance any skincare regimen, they're quite strong and may cause allergic reactions, especially if used in large amounts. So if you have sensitive skin, conduct a patch test before applying any essential oil to your scalp. All essential oils mentioned in this video are effective in boosting hair growth. Use these essential oils the right way to start noticing new and faster hair growth. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.